Good day, grade 8. I am your teacher, Marie. Linear inequalities in two variables. Activity 1. Try me. Complete each phrase with what you think is the most appropriate word. Explain your answer briefly. Linear inequalities in two variables. A linear inequalities in two variables is an inequality that can be written in one of the following form. Ax plus by is greater than c. Ax plus by is less than c. Ax plus by is greater than or equal to c. Ax plus by is less than or equal to c, where a, b, and c are real numbers. Here are the things to consider in translation. And this symbol, less than, is fewer, is under the symbol used, and this symbol is greater than, is more than, is over, exceeds. Another symbol, greater than or equal to, is not less than, at least, is not under, has maximum value of. Another symbol is less than or equal to, is not more than, is at most, has not exceed, has maximum value. Example number 1. Write each statement in linear inequalities into variable. The difference of a number of 50 pesos ticket or P and 40 pesos ticket or Q is not less than 30. The total number of apples or A plus twice the number of bananas or B is greater than 20. The solution of an inequalities in two variables are the ordered pairs of numbers that make the inequality true. Activity 2. Graph. Show the graph of the following linear equation in a Cartesian coordinate plane. Graph of the linear inequalities. A graph of a linear inequalities in two variables is the set of all points in the rectangular coordinate system whose ordered pair satisfies the inequality. When a line is graphed in the coordinate plane, it separated the plane into two regions called half-planes. The line that separates the plane is called the plane divider. To graph inequalities in two variables, the following step could be followed. First, replace the inequality symbol with an equal sign. The resulting equation becomes the plane divider. Second, graph the resulting equations with a solid line if the original inequalities contain less than or equal or greater than or equal symbol. The solid line indicates that all points on the line are part of the solution of the inequalities. If the inequalities is less than or equal symbol, use a dash or broken line. The dash or broken line indicates that the ordered pairs of all points in the line are not part of the solution set of inequality. Third, choose 3 points on one of the half planes that are not on the line. Substitute the coordinate of this point into the inequalities. If the coordinate of this point satisfy the inequalities or make the inequalities true, shaded the half plane or the region on one side of the plane divider where this point lie. Otherwise, the other side of the plane divider will be shaded. Activity 3. Translate me. Write each statement as a linear inequalities in two variables. Solving problems involving linear inequalities. To solve real-life problem using system of linear inequalities, first, represent the unknown by using variables. Second, form the linear inequalities. Third, solve linear inequalities by graphing. And fourth, check the solution in accordance with the condition given in the problems. So let us have the linear inequalities of this problem. So the difference between Connie's height, x, minus Jane's height, y is not more than, so the is not more than is a symbol of this and 20 feet. So let us graph this equation. So x minus y is equal to 20. Then negative y is equal to negative x plus 20. Y is equal to x minus 20. So the slope that we have is 1. And the y-intercept is 0 and negative 20. So let us graph. So we have the point 0 and negative 20. 0 and negative. Then the slope that we had is 1. So it will be the other point. Then connect the 2 points using the line. We have the equal, less than or equal symbol. So we're going to use a solid line. Then let us find which of these two region will be the shaded region. So let us have the point. Testing point. We have 0, 0. So if we have 0, so 0 minus 0 is less than or equal to 20. 0 is less than or equal to 20, which is true. It means the shaded region that we have is this part, which is 0, 0 is platted. Thank you. Enjoy watching while learning. This is your teacher, Miss Marimar F. Figalan.